All right, are you guys ready for our most twisted of all songs? This has a little story that goes along with it. So I was traveling in Romania, alone, searching for the gypsies. I'd rented a car and drove out into the wilderness of Transylvania, actually. And I came upon many gypsies. I wanted to learn the gypsy music because it's really fast and intense. And so I wanted to find the gypsy musicians. I didn't find the musicians. I found gypsies everywhere. They were very nice, by the way, except they stole my wallet. But other than that, no, they didn't. They didn't steal my wallet. But they would have if they could have, I'm telling you. No, they were very nice. Anyways, so I ended up in a field behind some gypsy wagons to compose a piece of music. And the birds were chirping like crazy, and I couldn't concentrate on my composition because they were making so much racket. So my composition started to sound like the birds. So, and I kind of realized at that point it kind of sounds like Romanian gypsy music. So I did kind of learn my gypsy music after all. So this one we call Gypsy Bird. Thank you very much, everybody. We're going to take a little break. We'll be right back. Don't forget to pick up your card up here. It's got our web address on it and all kinds of interesting information. And check us out online. Go to the gift shop, buy a CD if you like.